Bright light can suddenly trigger a sneeze, as if the body hits a cheeky reset button. This photic sneeze reflex affects about a quarter of people, a quirky genetic quirk rather than a disease. Scientists suspect nerves for sight and breathing crosswear in some brains, causing misfiring when brightness peaks. Practical tips include sunglasses, gradual exposure to light, and avoiding sharp transitions from dark to bright environments. Next time a sunlit stroll ends in a sneeze, remember biology loves playful glitches in our wiring.